Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our topic, that is addition and subtraction. So we have already done some questions of addition subtraction. So here we are having some new level for adding and subtraction, and we are going to cover some topics here just like addition without carryover, with carry. Okay, same goes with subtraction part, and here we are having some word columns. So let's see. There is a little minor change, that is the level of the questions is improved. Okay, that's it. So let's see what we are having here, the topics. So the first one we are having addition without carrying, then addition with carrying, properties of addition, problems on addition. After it, same concepts are in subtraction without borrowing, subtraction by borrowing, and problems on subtraction. Okay, so let's see what we are having next. So here we are having some questions of addition. Okay, so here we are having the one thing, that is we have to add the same places. That's it. Okay, all the ones place should be added in ones, tens should be added in 10, 100 should be added in hundreds, and 1000 should be added in thousands, just like it. Okay, we have to take care of this only. So after that we are having our exercise 3A. So let's solve B part from here. So here we are going to add 6 plus 2, we are having 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. We don't have any number, so we assume that here we are having 0. So 7 plus 0, we are having 7. Okay. Now let's pick one more question from here, just like H part. So here we are having 3 numbers of 3 digits. So first we are going to add these 2 places. Then what we are having, 3 plus 4, 7. We have to add the third number, 7 plus 0 is 7. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7 again. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, this is 9. So in this way we are going to add them. So these are 3-digit numbers. Now we are having 4-digit numbers. So we have to use the same concept. Same places should be added. That's it. So let's pick B part from here. 7 plus 1, this is 8. 7 plus 1 about again 8. 6 plus 2 again 8. And 5 plus 3 again 8. So this is by chance. We have all the 8 digits here. Let's see what we are having next. Now we are having question number 3, and here we are having 4-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers also. Let's use E part. So we are going to same. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1, this is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so you have noticed one thing. I can add in any manner, just like 2 plus 3, then 1. Or 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, or I can add from down to upward. Clear? So we don't have any difference in the answers. So we can add according to our choices. So here we are having question number 4, that is arrange in column in 8. So let's see what we are having here. So here we are having G part. We have to arrange them according to their places. So let's see how we are going to solve. So first I am going to write the places, that is 1100 tens ones. So here we are having 7114. Here we are having 402. And here we are having 1331. Okay. So now we are going to add them. So here we are having 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, this is 7. Here we are having 3 plus 1 is 4. And 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. And then here we are having again 8. So the answer is 8844. Now we are having our next topic, that is addition with carryover. So carryover means that we are going to add 2 places. Okay, we are going to add the same place. Okay. And here we have 2 numbers, and the sum of that 2 numbers is 2-digit number. Just like 6 plus 9 is 15. So Then we are having these kinds of numbers, two-digit numbers by adding two digits. Then we have to carry. Okay, so let's see what we are having here. Okay, come to our exercise 3B. So here we are in question number 1. Find the sum of the following. So let's pick E part from here. So we have to add the same places. That's the main thing. And if we have any two-digit number by adding the numbers, then we have to carry. So how? So let's see. Here we have 9 plus 4 is 30. So now we have to carry that tens place to the next place. So here we are going to write this 3 here, and this 10 place number should be carried to the next place. So here we are in 3 numbers now. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Again we are having two digit number. So one's place should be written here and tens place should be carried forward. So here we are having 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Now we are having 10. So one's place should be written here and this one should be carried forward. 7 plus 1, this is 8. So this is how our addition works in carrying. Let's choose one more question from here. So here we are going to solve H part. So that is 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 5, that is 20. So we are going to write 0 here and this 2 should be carried forward. So 6, 9, 1, 10, 11, 12. Now here we are in 12. So I am going to write 2 here and 1 here. It is 7 plus 4, 11, 12, 13. Now we are having 13. So 3 should be written here and 1 should be carried forward. This 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 12 and this is 30. So here we are having 13,320 as an answer. Here. Next is okay, next let's choose one more part. Here we are having n part. So here we are having 4 numbers. So let's add them. 10 plus 9 is 19. This is 9 and here we are having 1. So we are going to add 6 plus 4, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 1, 17. Then we are having 7 here. Then we are going to carry 1. And here we are 9, 10, 19, 20, 21. So here we are having 21. So 1 should be written here and 2 should be carried forward. So 3, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, 10. So here we are having 10,179. Come to our next part, that is question number. So let's choose one part from here. Now we have to arrange them and then add it. Okay, let's see what. Let's pick J part. So first we are going to write the places just like this. We have written before and now we are going to write the numbers according to their places. Okay, then we are at 5,394 and 8,262. And 525. Clear? Okay. So now here we are going to solve them. So we have to add them. Okay. That is 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 14, 4 is here and 1 is carried forward. Okay. This is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9 is 19, 20, 21. This is 2. 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3. Carry 1. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8 is 18. So we are having 18,340. Clear? So let's see what we are having next. Nothing else is here. So move to our next topic. Next is properties of addition. Okay, let's see what we are having here. So the first property says the sum of two numbers when added in any order is always the same. So you can change the order, which I have already done in our addition time. So I can switch to any order. I can add any number one by one or one another. So I have the same answer. Just like here we are having first number is this, second number is this. Now we are having first number is this, second number is this. But you have the same answer. So in addition, the change of order doesn't affect anything. So now come to our next property, that is second. The sum of three or more numbers when added in different orders. Same way, if you have two or three numbers, you can change or sum them in any order, so that doesn't matter. So our answer will be also same. Clear? Next is our third property, that is if 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. So we are having here number and 0. If we add these two numbers, then we have the same answer. Okay, now we are having our exercise, that is 3C, and we have some fill in the blank set questions according to our properties. Okay, let's pick C part here. Here we are having two numbers. If we change the order, the answer is same. So the first number is this. The second number should be 7,856. Clear? Now come to our question number 2. Fill in the blanks type. So here we are in 0 plus any number is the answer. Same. If we have the same answer, then we have to add 0. Clear? Next on to question number 3, and here we are having two more numbers. So let's see. Choose D part. This is 6,371. Here we are having 4,361. So I can write it here. And this number is missing here, so I can write it here. 8,795. So here are the three numbers where the sequence is different, and that's it. Next is problems on addition. The first thing you have to take care is the language of the problems. Okay, if you focus on the language, then you can easily solve these sets of questions or concepts in a day-to-day life also. Okay, here we are having a question, that is a shopkeeper deposited this much amount in bank for the on first day, and this on second day. Sorry, and this amount on third day. How much money did he deposit in all? Okay. So in this type of question, the question is asking how much money did he spend it? Sorry, deposit all. So when we are having all type of concept, that how much money I have, all, how many things I have, all, or something else. So we have to just total them or add them. So let's see what we are having here. Let's write the statement first. Okay, a shopkeeper deposited this money deposited and money deposited on first day. Here we are having rupees 7,463. Then here we are having money deposited on second day. Then it is rupees 8,976. Then we are having money deposited on third day. That is 958. This is 958 rupees. So how much money he deposited? So here we are going to find total money deposited. Okay, so here we are having the plus sign. That is 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1. 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So carry 1 again, 9 to the 18, 90, 20, 22, 23. This is 2. 8 to the 16, 70. So here we are having 17,397. Okay. So we have done the addition word problem type questions. So you can do it. Okay, let's pick one more question from here. So we can clear our concepts as well. Okay, here we are having one more word problem. You have to just focus on the language of the question. So the farmer produces this kg of wheat, this kg of barley, and this kg of rice in a year. And how much grain did he produce? So again here they are going to use be producing all. So we have to just do the addition part. Clear? So here we are going to write a farmer produces wheat. Okay, so we are going to write the quantity of wheat produced. That is 4795 kg. Next is we are having quantity of the barley. Okay, this is barley produced. That is 2576 kg. Okay, next is quantity of rice produced. Okay, so this is 2482 kg. Then how much grain did he produce in all? So again they are going to ask the total quantity of grains. So we are going to add them. So here we are having kilogram, that is 6 plus 5, 11, 12, 13, carry 1, 10 and 15, 25, then 2 carry, 7 and then 18, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9,853 kilogram is grain is produced. Okay. So now come to our next topic. That is subtraction. You all know when we have to give something and the sum part is taken out from us, then we are going to use a subtraction concept. Just like I have 10 candies and someone took 2 candies from me, then how many candies are left? So leftover part, so that is 8. So for this we have to do the subtraction part. Okay, so now we will find what we are having here. Next is subtraction without borrowing. Now we are having our exercise, that is 3E. And here we are going to solve the questions. The first one is find the difference. To find out the difference, let's pick E part. So we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So here we are going to start as 7 minus 5 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3. Clear? So let's take one more question in which we have to arrange the numbers. So here we are having O part. So let's see what we are having here. So we are in 1000 place and 100 place, 10s place, 1s place. That is 8217 and 6116. Okay, so we have to subtract the same place from the same place numbers. So 1 should be subtracted from 1s. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 8 minus 6 we are having 2. So this is our subtraction part. So this is easy. Now move to our next part, what we are having. So next topic we are having here, that is subtraction by borrowing. So let's see what we are having here. Nothing. Okay, here we are having our next exercise, that is 3F, and here we are going to use the concept of carrying or borrowing. Okay, the first thing we have to listen is that we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Clear? But at some places we have the difference in the places. What is this? Let's see. Here we are in 4728 and we are going to subtract 2479. There is no problem in the number. But if we are going to compare the places, so here we are having 8 that is smaller than 9. So this is how can this be possible? So 9 cannot be subtracted from 8. So that's why we have to carry the concept. Okay, we have to carry the number from the next place. So here we are going to use the carrying concept. So 9 minus 8 is 8 minus 9 is not possible. So here we are having 2. So we have to carry 1 from here. 2 minus 1, 1 is here and 1 is shifted to 1's place. When we are shifting that the carry part, then it changes into 10. So here we are having 10 plus 8, that is 18. Clear? So this is 18 minus 9, that is 9. So 1 minus 7 is not possible, we have to take again carry. So if we add 10 in this one, we are having 11 minus 7 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Clear? So in this way you are going to subtract the number. Okay, let's pick one more part. Here we are having E part. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. 0 minus 7 not possible, so we have to take carry from the next place. So we carry 1 from here and we have 10 here. Okay, so 10 minus 7 we are having 3 and 5 minus 3 we are having 2. Okay. So let's see what we are having next is question number 2, subtract. So let's pick one question from here, that is F part. So when we are having from, so the second number is our greater number, and the first one is our smaller number. So we have to arrange in this manner. This is 1000, 100, tens, ones. So let's subtract them. 2 minus 5 not possible. This is 0. So we don't have any number here. Again we don't have. Here we are having 8. Here we are having 10, then 9, then we are having 10, then again carry 9. We are having here 12. So we have to just transfer it. Okay, so 12 minus 5 is 7, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So here we are having 1807 as a difference. Okay, next we are having here, that is question number 3. Arrange the following numbers in column and find the difference. Okay, so let's pick one part from here, H part. So here we are having 8000 minus 5999 and subtract. So if we see 0 minus 9 not possible, so we have to carry from here. Here we are having 7, then it goes here 10, then again we are carrying 1 from here. We are having 9 here, then we are having 10, then again we are going to carry 1 from here, then we are having 9, and here we are having 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, then again 0, and this is 2. So this is 2001. Okay, next is question number 4, subtract 0 from. If we subtract 0 from any number, then we will have the same number. Okay, so this is the basic rule. So now we are having problems on subtraction. So let's move to our next part. So here we are having our exercise 3G. Okay. So let's pick one problem from here and same thing we are going to focus here, that is there are 1600 seats in a theater and 1452 persons were present in a show. And how many seats are vacant? So here we are talking about the remaining part. So when we are going to talk about the remaining part, leftover part and the difference, then we will use the subtraction concept. Okay, let's see. Here we are having number of seats in theater. That is 1600. Okay. Next is 1452 persons who are present in a show. So number of persons in show. That is 1452. Clear? Sorry. Next is number of seats vacant. Okay, so we are going to use the subtraction part. So here we are having 8 and then 9 minus 5 is 4 and here we are in 1. This is 148. Clear? Okay. So next, see what we are having here. Okay, I think we have completed all the topics from the addition subtraction. So I hope you all have cleared your doubts and concepts here. So thank you so much for listening us carefully and now see you next video. Till then, all the best.